Bakit habang nga ito?
Sige. You want to know the story of your name? Victoria came from Victor, my name.
Victor?
Yeah, I'm Victor. And you're Victoria. And Mariel came from Mommy. Mommy Mariel. Ginawa lang naming Mariel. Oh, your name is both Mommy and Daddy's name. See? Oh, it's not that hard naman. Oh, you pahinga. Sige, later na ulit.
Kaya mahaba kasi Daddy keep it so long.
Sorry na.
Dapat isa lang. Isa lang mag-quit si Mami.
Oh, hindi magpabinyag ka ulit.
Isang name lang dapat.
Isang name lang.
Kinuha na may cellphone na.
So, dapat one name lang para hindi mahaba.
Kaya pa hindi mahaba.
Gusto mo, Bumi na lang. Oh, bakit? Yun yung name mo, di ba?
Oh?
Yeah. I told Mommy to not quit so many of it.
Why?
Ayoko marami. Gusto ko isa lang.
No, you do it one day lang. You do it one day. Bawa,